Hello, good morning. Today's date is 11th September 2021, and my name is Nilesh Hanmanta Shinde, and I'm going to describe today's video topic. The today's video topic name is SQL. So, SQL is a nothing but a structured query language which is used to store the database in the MySQL. So, by using the SQL, we can communicate with the database. We can communicate by using the SQL with MySQL, and we can store the data in the database. So, what is the data? What is the database? The database means it is the collection of the number of data. Uh, the database is a collection of information, and by we can access it. Uh, we can perform the number of operations like create, manipulate, or delete, update. So by using the SQL, we can also do that. And now we discuss types of the database. There are the first type is the hierarchical database. The hierarchical database means we can store the data which is uh, which is in the form of a tree. Uh, that means it have one parent node and the multiple child nodes. And the next database is a network data model. In the network data model, its structure is just like a graph, and it uh, each record of the this type of model is uh, represent the separate nodes, and it contains one parent node and multiple child nodes. And the next type of the data model is relationship data model. In that relationship data model, we can store the our data in the tabular format. Means we can store this data into row and columns. So uh, for using the SQL, we can store in MySQL. We can use the relational database management system. That means first we discuss the what is the database management system. Database management system means in that we can collect the information of a particular data, and we can create or add some data into that, and we can delete or update, and multiple operation we can do in the SQL. And uh, now we discuss the what is the relationship uh, database management system. The relational database management system we can use in SQL, and it is a just like a tabular form. Means it contains only row and column, and we have to give some relation between the two columns, and it is a very easy method to store our data in, in that format. Now we discuss what is the difference between the SQL and the MySQL. The SQL, it is a structured query language uh, which is which is based on the English language, and by using the SQL language, we can communicate between the database management system, and we can retrieve, or we can access the data. We can perform the code operation in that with database by using the structured query language. And for that, we have to pass some queries related to this database management system, and by using this, we can access the database from the data from the database. And MySQL means it is a relational database management system, uh, which is used for the store our data. Means inside the MySQL, it is just a platform, and in that we can store our data. and we can access it by using the SQL language. In the SQL, there are some sets, or we can say that some subset of the database management system. The first is a DDL, means data definition language. In that we can define our data, or we can create our database by using these keywords. These keywords are the create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. And after that, the second subset is the DML, means data management language, data manipulation language. By using this, we can manipulate our table. Inside that, some keywords are the uh, delete, insert, update, and next subset is the DCL. DCL means data control language. Inside that, keywords we are using, that is the uh, grant, or grant and revoke. And the last subset is the uh, data sorry transaction control language. By using this transaction control language, we can control our transaction. Inside this, we can use the number of subsets, a number of keywords. These keywords are the uh, commit, and rollback, and save point. So this is some information about the SQL. Thank you.